All right, we're going to be taking a look at a severe thunderstorm down to the south, tracking that. Also some action to the north. San Antonio, several hours from any kind of impact from either. Let's show you what we've got in the city. Outside tonight, we're looking at the quarry. The stacks are green for Stress Awareness Month. Did you know that according to Wallet Hub, Texas consistently places in the top 10 most stressed out states? Mainly, we've got high related work stress, high family related stress as well. Apparently two big factors, the work and the fams here in Texas. All right, cloudy and 78 in the city. The atmosphere is ripe. We've got a dew point close to 70. And so with 78 degrees, a dew point that's tropical, you've got to watch these storms if they're in the area, because we've got the fuel and the supplies, if you will, to keep them pretty active if they were to move into the city. Again, they're miles away. The complex at the top of your screen is most impressive. Crossing over Sonora and across I-10 could begin to impact some parts of the viewing area in the overnight hours just after midnight. This cell down to the south, severe thunderstorm warning till 10:45, is going to be Dimmitt and Maverick counties. It's trying to come up on Crystal City. It looks like it's going to definitely stay west of Carrizo Springs. Look like this second cell is obviously a bit stronger than that first one. This one's beginning to kind of die out. You can always notice by the amount of lightning, because lightning is a good proxy for the amount of updraft in a thunderstorm. And so if we're seeing less lightning and that clustering is not occurring on that cell, it's weakening, updraft dying down a bit. But this one, just the opposite. You can see that cluster building. So this storm to the south of this first cell building just a bit. Let's take a look at hail. Not too impressive. When it's purple, it's probably about pea to marble size. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch, including Sonora, Junction, and over to Del Rio until midnight. That's been extended an hour. And it's because there's a 2 out of 5 risk of a severe storm, but then there's only a 1 out of 5 risk into just northwest Bexar County, but mainly Bernie, Bandera, maybe down to Hondo. And again, that's going to be tonight and overnight. But the models are not favoring anything till tomorrow afternoon. So you saw that, just a brief, line of thunderstorms develops on Wednesday afternoon. The complex in Sonora, well, this model's putting it at 1 a.m. over Fredericksburg, maybe just clipping Kerrville and Comfort, and then dying out over the I-35 corridor, never dropping into San Antonio in the overnight hours, but at least dropping into the Texas Hill Country, which will, of course, always help the aquifer. The 14-day forecast, as we take a look at tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, 30% chance is about the best we get on probability. So that's the good news. We're not looking at very high probability of San Antonio being affected. It's looking like it's going to stay north and west and south of the city. But we do have the chance every day with afternoon heating, and plenty of heat will be there. Mid to upper 80s right on through Saturday. Remember, we have Fiesta beginning Thursday, Friday night St. Mary's Oyster Bake, Saturday Oyster Bake. I wouldn't cancel plans over a 20 to 30% chance of rain. Look at how hot Sunday, final Sunday of April, 93, 94 on Monday for the Texas Cavaliers River Parade. And then Nyosa begins Tuesday the 29th. The rain rock's going up on Nyosa Eve Monday, but the chances are going up on Tuesday through the final day of Nyosa. So we'll see 20 to 30% chance of some isolated showers. Don't forget, Nate, Thursday the 1st through Sunday the 4th, we're getting corny and
Corny ball, yeah.